Next.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you Indian?
Yes. Full Indian. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Wow.
you're full Indian.
Yeah, but half caste too.
Oh, wow. Okay. Tell us the origin
You
of...
said he's a full Indian and a half caste
Yeah.
Indian. Which are you, full Indian or half caste?
It's just like half caste food. Like
So your mom is India, your dad is Nigerian, or your dad is Indian, or your mom is...
no. My mom is Nigerian. My dad is Nigerian, but he has traveled to India before to spend 2 weeks. Then, but my mom is the one that is Nigerian, but she used to watch Z World.
Oh. Wait.
I thought you said you're half caste.
Two of them are Nigerian, but they watch. I'm Indian by watching them. I watch them.
Your father is not Indian. By blood, nothing.
Yeah, no, he has been to India.
Is he Indian? Is he Indian? Where's your father from?
He went to Mumbai.
Where's your father from?
Ekurobia. He's from Ekurobia, but he went to...
He's from where?
Ekurobia.
In Nigeria here?
Anambra State.
Yes.
So where's your mom from?
From Ekurobia too.
From Ekulobia too.
So how are you Indian?
How are you? Hi.
My daddy have been to India village in Ekurobia.
It's okay. It's okay.
Do you smoke their hemp? What is the problem?
So what do you want? Did you know?
I sing Indian song.
Okay. Do you know what? No problem. Whether you're half caste, full caste, no caste, whatever, just, I suppose you're singing.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I'm singing a song by Amal Malik.
Amalonya?
Amal Malik.
Amal Malik. He's Indian or...
He's Indian. I used to watch him very well. I used to listen to his song. That's what make me Indian.
Okay. Just go ahead.
This is not a TikTok dance.
He looks like that TikTok dance, which is just...
Ade, KCA Ade, Sutahu Magical, Ade Ubata, Kuch, Tuheju, Nida Ekam, Kuch, Tuheju, Akene, Kuch, Tuheju, Aina, Kuch, Tuheju, Ina,
Please, can you stop?
One more song. You hear it. You like it. You like this one now. Like this one. Hasi bangaye, nami bangaye, tum meri asma, meri zami bangaye.
Please, can you stop?
If we hear this song in the Indian film, we will be crying. As I see the film I was in, I was crying. Very emotional song.
Do you know what?
The actor, his girlfriend got blind. Then he were pursuing. He was a boxer. Then they were pursuing him. They now killed him, his girlfriend. Everybody now died in the film.